Hey, are you looking for the best quality solo ad traffic and you want to be able to get more lead sales and signups? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to let you know a top tier traffic source that you can use to build and grow any business. And I'm going to show you a process of how you can do it effectively and efficiently so you can actually make more sales and be able to do it in the quickest time possible. And also, I'm going to let you know some Udemy and traffic for me alternatives, right? So, if you've been looking at Udemy solo ads and traffic for me, and you're just ready for high quality traffic and you're ready to actually get support, you're ready for help, then stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly what to do and exactly how to get results. And if you're somebody who really wants a solution, then watch this video because a lot of people say they want solutions, but when it comes down to it, they're not willing to put in the work. So if you do this and you put in the work and you do everything that I'm telling you to do, you will be able to get support and you will be able to get results. And I'm showing you right here Paul Harvey's results. Paul Harvey joined the Profit Betters Alliance group, which is our uh, team group that we have. And basically, he's already making sales, right? So, um, I help people to get results with their whole system. So, your goal is to be able to stand out from everybody else who has your kind of opportunity, right? So you don't want to use the system capture pages. You don't want to use those things. You only want to use the sales pages from your opportunities, but you want to create your own systems around whatever you have, and you want to put yourself into the mix so that way you can get results and you could stand out from everybody else that's promoting the same things as you, right? So, I share some of Paul's results on my Facebook page. If you go to my Facebook page, I am Facebook verified Gio Ambrose Gianta, so you could go and you could look at these for yourself. And it's very important to be able to stand out from everybody else that's having the same offers as you. So what I have below, and you can find this below this video, is a link to a page that will show you how I'm able to get results online and how I got these kind of results, right? Income disclaimer, that doesn't mean that you will get these kind of results. It depends on your uh, skill level and work ethic, right? Whether you will get results or not. If you do nothing, you earn nothing. And the average affiliates that work with me earn $347, right? So just keep that in mind when you go and you opt into this page. If you want to know the exact strategy, put your name and email below this video and I will show you exactly what I'm doing to get results, right? But it's very important to be able to have high quality traffic, have a branded page. I'm very big on branding. If you go to my social media, if you look at my YouTube banner, if you look at my Facebook banner, it's all branded. It's very important to brand yourself, have a professional image, and be polished whenever you're doing your marketing. If you don't have that stuff or you don't know that stuff, that's okay, right? I have a team that can help you to be able to create whatever you need to online. So, um, working with me long term, you will get access to my team that can help you to build out whatever pages you want, whatever kind of graphics you need, whatever you need done. My team is here for you, and also we help you. We show you traffic strategies to be able to get results, so you can make sales just like Paul is, right? And I highly suggest you come over here to profitbetterstraffic.com. When you come over here to profitbetterstraffic.com, you're going to come to my traffic store. My traffic store is a place to where you can actually get results when you get traffic. I help you to understand how to get high quality traffic to the offers that you're promoting. I want you to know how to make sure your sales copy and capture page are congruent to the offer that you're promoting. And most importantly, it's very important to build a high quality list of people who really want what you have to offer. So here's what you need to know, right? Where you get traffic from, why getting profit better traffic is important is because we get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, WordPress, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So when you order traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources. And I want you to understand how to actually um, get results, right? So when you come and you order traffic from me, I help you to manage and set up your funnels. I help you to get as high as 85% opt-in rate. I help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rate. I help you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. So, if you get traffic from anywhere else, you're not going to get any feedback. And the reason why I do this is because I started off with solo ads and I never got any feedback. So I was just sending traffic to a funnel. I was expecting all these results. I would make sales here and there, but nothing really substantial. And it landed me $87,000 in debt because I didn't know what I was doing. So there's a strategy around getting solo ads that you need to know. You need to make sure that your emails are landing in the inbox and not in the spam box. You need to make sure that you're sending out good emails. You need to make sure that you're segmenting your list and putting your openers and clickers and the most highly engaged people onto one list before you actually send out an email, right? So there's a process to all this stuff, and if you don't know the process, you don't know how to do it the right way, you're not really going to get too good of results because you're doing it all wrong and you've never been told how to do it the right way. So it's not your fault. It's just the fact of people aren't telling you how to run traffic the right way. And if you have an opportunity, you've been trying to run traffic, you've been trying to get results, and you've been looking for ways to actually increase your results, make sure you order a traffic package from me. And then we do a strategy call. So on that strategy call, I review your funnel. I share with you how to keep your emails in the inbox. I also show you how to get the best results possible on a day-to-day basis with your marketing. So you have a daily routine and you're able to actually get results effectively and in the best way possible, right? So, step one is you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier one and 100% tier one. Step two is we do a campaign review. Step three is we launch your campaign after that. Here's some of my results that I've got for people. Here's 90% opt-in rate with 3 sales on 200 clicks. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here. So take a look at this page for yourself. Here's 90% tier one traffic. Here's 100% tier one. Pick the one that works best for you. And then if you have any questions, chances are your questions are going to be answered down here. So make sure you take a look at this section right here. And here's my guarantee to you. My guarantee to you is I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And when you order traffic from me, understand that I will deliver exactly what you ordered. One thing I don't like to do is I don't like to give refunds because it is paid traffic, and I care about um, my payment processors, right? So I want to make sure my payment processors stand in good standing because it is traffic and they don't really like traffic stuff too much. So I will help you with whatever you need. If you're having issues with your order, make sure you reach out to me. I will compensate you in traffic. I will make sure you get exactly what you ordered. If you're having any kind of issues whatsoever, you can easily reach out to me, which makes me different from everybody else because if you order traffic from them, you won't get any feedback, you won't be able to talk to anybody, anything like that. So if you have any questions, you could leave your questions down here and it will go to my support inbox. And you could also leave comments below this video and I will answer your comments that you have. You can also reach out to me on Facebook. I have a free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. That group's going to be below this video as well, and it leads to my Facebook page. So if you need to get to my Facebook page, you can do it that way as well. There's also going to be a link to this traffic store below this video also, right? So make sure you check out the links below this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a video. And stick in here, right? If you have questions, leave them below. Please do not hesitate to drop your questions below. All right, I'll talk to you soon and bye for now.